Hello everyone, how are we all? We are in, well we're at a Canalside pub. We're at Fradley Junction. Popped down here to have a mooch because the sun's out. It's absolutely lovely down here, first time here properly. I mean that had come, there she is, and then that.
Hello.
And it's gorgeous guys, so we thought we'd pop down here and have a bite to eat. That's what we thought. I took a bit of a video, which I'll show you in a bit. But yeah, it's lovely. A lovely pub. We just saw someone eating, and the size of their onion rings that they've got down there look delicious. So we thought we'll have a bit of a mooch around, Nat and I. Take some videos, some more videos, then we'll go and get something to eat. So let me show you some videos. We've got a boat coming on the lock, guys. We've got a boat coming on the lock. I walked up here and I can't make it all this far up. She's sitting down there on the grass. It's very bumpy for the wheelchair, so I've just come up to take some pictures of the lock, of this boat in the lock. There he comes. Come on then, who used to swim in the canal when I was younger? I did. Jump in the canals, God. Wouldn't do it now.
Yeah, it is superb. Because you would think it was electric, in fact it's as quiet.
How are you, mate? You okay?
Thank you, how are you?
Yeah, good, sir.
The weather for it.
Oh, it's great, any say. Lovely. Got it all week, haven't we?
Got it till Friday.
Oh, yeah. Just what we need. I think in the summer, I think I might come over here with me and Nat. I mean, we're here anyway. Have a picnic and do a live stream, I think. Have an all-day thing here. I think we might do that, you know. Because it's absolutely stunning. It really is. Should we hire one of them for the day? Well, I don't know how you'd go about that. I'd have to inquire, wouldn't I? It'd be great though, wouldn't it? Let's get back to Natalie. We're going to have a coffee. I bet you could sit there all day, couldn't you, Bab?
I would, yeah.
Sit there all day.
Yeah, I can't get that way.
I know, it's too far, isn't it? Too bumpy as well.
Yeah. A few sandwiches, a bottle of pop, and I'll be sorted.
Yeah, that's what I just said that on the camera. We should come maybe one day in the summer for a picnic.
Yeah.
Spend all day here, you know what I mean?
Mm.
And maybe do a live stream after or something, you know. Do a live stream and all that stuff, just all day here. Because there's a calf right down the bottom where you first come in. But I haven't recorded that yet. I'll probably do that on the way back out. Little babies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Really young as well, ain't they, them? So they ain't long been born, them.
Little babies, bless.
Right, guys, we are at the Swan on Fradley Junction. Me and Nav's been looking at the menu. We're just going to have something nice and simple, and it's 2 hours a big meal, isn't it?
So a big, massive meal.
And we're going to have, let me show you, we're not having
I'm going to have a cheese and red onion sandwich.
ciabatta.
Ciabatta.
Yeah, with coleslaw and tortilla chips. And I might have a rump steak ciabatta, cooked to your liking with peppercorn, mayo and fried onions. That's what I might have.
That sounds nice.
Yeah.
That does sound nice.
So, we're going to order the food, guys. It's lovely here. Isn't it?
It's really nice. It's so
really
pretty.
nice, yeah. It's really nice. I'm going to go and order the food, guys, and I'll show you when it comes. So, guys, chips. They're hot. They look nice, and chips. My steak sandwich, which I've showed you. My coleslaw. So, try one of these chips. They're thick, really thick. Soft. Out. Need salt. Them chips are an extra £1 for chips. Thank you, Bob.
Mint. Vinegar. Do you want some mayo? Or some
No,
ketchup?
I'll be alright for a minute. I want to taste it all
Vinegar.
first.
Oh, you've got some English mustard there as well.
Right, let's try this steak. A little bit off. Had it medium rare. Yeah, it needs some salt on it though. Let's try it all together first though. Not speaking too loud today, guys. There's loads of people around, so.
It's one extra salt, sweet. There's no more in there now.
I don't know about that.
Well, it smells it. No. I like it.
No,
Do you want one of my cheese ones?
No. Coleslaw.
Has it got a funny seasoning on?
No, it's got no seasoning.
No seasoning.
It's soft. Anyway, then about that today, it really about us coming out and having the mooch around, innit? So doesn't really matter, guys. Well, it does, but
It's a shame they don't give you some Branston pickle or something for your sandwich.
isn't it supposed to have peppercorn sauce? No.
Yeah. You're supposed to have peppercorn sauce.
I have, look.
Oh,
I haven't got peppercorn sauce.
oh, you have? Oh, sorry. I thought it was brown peppercorn sauce.
About that much.
Mind you, I only had a squirt of mayonnaise in the corner of my sandwich.
Oh, anyway, no moaning today, not allowed. Because you're quiet today, so no moaning off me today.
Got myself lucky.
Is that a first, man?
What, extra moaning tomorrow?
Extra moaning tomorrow.
Could I try a little piece of your steak, just the corner bit?
I'll have from that one. I haven't touched.
Oh no.
Nothing, is there?
No,
That's
that's
a
not
worry.
very nice.
Anyway, let me go and eat my grub. How are you, mate?
Do I get copyright?
You okay?
Alright. What are you doing? Coming to an ugly boat or something?
No, it's our first time here, so we're just coming to do a little bit of pictures and videos and, you know.
But I'll try not to do anything.
Oh. Do you live on that, dear? Great life,
I bet it's lovely. Oh,
It's like this.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
not very nice in the winter.
I cheat, I go to the marina for the winter.
Yeah. What do you do? You just travel then or just go local?
Yeah, north, south.
I see.
Heading north this year.
Oh, God.
See what's up.
How long does it take to get north then? Good summer like?
As long as I want.
Well, yeah, I suppose, yeah, yeah. Hey! Take care, mate. All the best. The food. Me and Natalie just taking pictures of me, darling.
yeah.
Well, videos. This is an absolutely beautiful place, and
It's lovely. I really like it
it's an
here.
absolute shame about the grub.
Yeah, it's the first time I've ever been here.
The grub was terrible.
Yeah.
And I'm not just saying that. The chips were all right, but apart from that, the sandwich was a disgrace. It was 12 quid for the sandwich, with
Yeah.
a steak sandwich. And I had to pay £1 extra for chips. So it was 30 quid, and that is nowhere near worth the value for money. There was no flavour, there was nothing there. And
My cheese sandwich didn't taste very nice neither. It was like eating a butter, mayonnaise, onion sandwich. The
Nope.
cheese had no taste to it, and I'm not being funny. It felt like it had been left out all day.
yeah. And the coleslaw was really warm, weren't it?
I had a mouthful of coleslaw and I thought, that's really nice to start off with. I was like, oh, that's really nice. But then I had another bite. It's just got a weird
Yeah,
weird
not very
flavour.
nice. Not very nice at all.
Weird
It's a real,
flavour.
well, I'm a bit disappointed with it, so I was
Yeah.
expecting it to be good.
The reviews were good, weren't they? That's the problem.
There's some good reviews and some bad reviews.
Oh, you get that everywhere
so
you go,
get a
though.
mix. But we done it to come out for a day, didn't we? To have
Yeah,
a look at the
I've
place.
never been here before. It's
What do you think,
lovely.
trip down
I
here,
know.
darling? It's very. I think you don't want to be jumping in the pool, in the water after you.
I don't want to be going in there. I can't swim.
Yeah, so guys, That's it really. Me and that just come out for a bit.
We're gonna, I think, we're gonna come back down and have a picnic.
And have a picnic. I'm not having any food from there again.
Find somewhere nice to sit and we're gonna have a picnic instead.
Yeah.
Because I'd like to come back down here again anyway, because it's really
been a
nice.
Good day here.
Yeah,
And that.
it's really nice and peaceful and
it's
relaxing.
just-
And
The food. But I say them, that ladies, we just spoke to her
Yeah.
again, said how you enjoyed the food, I didn't like it. But her onion rings and that look gorgeous.
look
And his
really
fish
nice.
and chips. And I didn't really want fish and chips and a burger.
Yeah, we didn't fancy warm food, did we? Like
I
a
wish
warm
I had
dinner.
that, to be honest, for an
Yeah.
extra couple of quid.
But you learn, don't you?
You learn there. We tried it and we didn't like it, so I wouldn't have it again.
I didn't really like your steak neither.
No, because you had a bit, didn't you?
I
I don't know if
had a
that was
try.
on camera.
No, I don't think it was. I had to try and I didn't really like it anyway.
Yeah.
It was very bland.
There's nothing to it.
Nothing. Even
like-
I couldn't even taste the peppercorn sauce
No,
on it.
there's nothing. Well, I'll show you the peppercorn sauce, a little drop.
But that was like my mayonnaise before I put extra mayonnaise on.
Never mind. Anyway, there we go, guys. That is Fradley Junction Canal Place. So until the next time, guys, I was going to do. Thing is this week. What's it called? Diet food. Lose a bit of weight, healthy eating food. But the weather's going to be boiling this
It's
week, and
gonna
I'm
be
not
really
going to be cooking
warm.
in the kitchen.
Nah, you can't do
So I might
that.
do a couple of barbies and stuff like that. And
It's
I
gonna
want
be
to,
like
I want to go out
27
again as
degrees.
well this week.
Yeah.
While the sun's out. So till the next time, guys. We'll see you later. Bye bye.
Bye.